Good morning viewers, welcome to JM Bakers Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare Fucasia bread. Fucasia bread, it's an Italian bread. It's a very lean recipe which is used for soft breads pizza and also for making sandwiches. I am glad to receive comments from you. Some of you have suggested that the audio is not clear. Since I am doing this video alone, solo baking, I will correct myself. So for the time being, kindly use the ear mic for the past videos, whatever I have created. We will improve on the same. And let's go to the program. Thank you. So the recipe for the Fucasia bread is 250 grams maida, 12.5 grams of sugar, 8 grams of yeast, 5 grams of salt, and bakery shortening, 20 grams of bakery shortening. I am using Biscream 3FF bakery shortening. And I am using going to use 150 ml of water. This is all you need for making the Fucasia bread. So viewers, as usual, first when we are doing the bread mixing, first I add water, 75% of it. I am adding yeast and sugar. I am going to dissolve these two ingredients in water. So now I am going to add the flour and the salt always comes last so that it will not interfere with the yeast activity. I am preparing the Fucasia bread dough. Okay viewers, now the dough is ready. As usual, I am just rounding the dough, give a little massage. So now, as I usually tell you, see now the dough is not sticking to my hand, so the dough is ready. So now your dough is ready. I'm going to make two Fucasia bread type of pizzas. So you see this dough, it is about 280-300 grams will go into this kind of a mold. And I am going to be very gentle with the dough. Not going to push it and things like that. See, when in baking you need a lot of patience, you need a lot of perseverance, and finally you need a lot of passion. So you need you have to put a lot of love into it. You have to be very gentle with the dough so that to get a final effect like that. See, don't push it like chapati. Just be gentle. Allow time, give more time, and the dough will stretch automatically. It will stretch by itself. Because the more time you give, it is better for the gluten development. It will mellow, the gluten will mellow nicely. So again, I am only applying my finger pressure, and I am going to just leave it for some time. I am not going to rush through it, and it will automatically, it will come to spread. When I spread it, it will come to this size. Now I take the pan, and I have done enough tossing, and I'm going to put it into the pan like this. also your Fucasia Pizza bread. Put it and use your fingers. You press it like this so that you get a nice round edge. So now your dough is ready. Now I'm going to rest it for some time. Then I'll tell you how we are going to proceed further. So now viewers, see the bread is almost double in size. The Fucasia bread is double in size. But the main criteria in Fucasia is the flavor development. So what we are going to do is, I am going to add about 150 ml water and 2 grams of salt and olive oil. It's about 25 ml of olive oil. This I am going to mix it, and now you watch carefully. What I am going to do is, I am going to punch the dough with my fingers very liberally in pouring this water. You will find the entire quantity of water is absorbed when you give a further time of 20 minutes. It will completely absorb this water, and now I am going to add some oregano. So viewers, now you see the Fucasia bread dough is risen nicely, and I am going to put it into the oven for baking. I am going to bake it at 200. I am going to bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Okay, viewers, now the moment of truth. I want to show you the Fucasia. Just baked beautifully. It is baked to the golden brown. Like that. So a simple Neapolitan pizza with Fucasia bread is ready. So viewers, here is your Fucasia Neapolitan pizza ready. I want you to subscribe to J.M. Baker's YouTube channel. Subscribe and press the bell, and we will present you more bakery products. All the best. Thank you. Finally, you got the Fucasia Neapolitan pizza. It's made with simple tomato pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese, olives and simple tomatoes.